In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add attendees on Eventbrite. This is an essential skill for event organizers who may need to register walk-ins or record offline payments. By the end of this video, you'll be able to add attendees efficiently and accurately. First off, let's get started by logging into Eventbrite. Navigate to eventbrite.com using your preferred web browser. Once there, sign into your organizer account. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your login credentials. This step ensures that you're accessing the right tools and features for managing your event. After you've successfully logged in, open your event dashboard. This is your control center for managing events. It's where you'll find everything you need to keep your event running smoothly. Now move on to the next step, which is to go to Add Attendees. From your event dashboard, select the event for which you want to add attendees. Once you've selected your event, click on Manage Attendees. This section is crucial because it provides you with the options to handle attendees efficiently. Next, choose Add Attendees. This is where you can manually enter new attendees into your event list. Adding attendees manually is a powerful feature, especially for managing last-minute additions. From there, you'll need to choose the ticket type or order type for your new attendees. Eventbrite will prompt you to specify how to add them. You can select complimentary for free tickets, paid for recording and offline payment, or no payment necessary if it's not required. This step is important because it categorizes your attendees correctly. Understanding these options helps you maintain accurate records and ensure the financial side of your event is in order. After selecting the ticket type, it's time to enter the ticket quantity. Decide how many tickets you want to assign to this attendee. If there are multiple ticket types available, make sure to select the correct one. This precision is crucial for your event's capacity planning. Getting this right helps prevent overbooking and ensures a smooth experience for all attendees. Next up, enter the attendee details. You'll need to fill in the full name and email address for each attendee. While the email address is optional, it's highly recommended. This information is vital for communicating any event updates to your attendees. Additionally, fill in any required registration information specific to your event. You also have the option to send a confirmation email to the attendee. This is helpful because it provides them with all the necessary details about the event. After that, it's time to review and submit your entries. Click Continue to proceed to the review page. Carefully check all the details you've entered to ensure accuracy. Once you're satisfied, click Register or Place Order. This final step is important because it confirms the addition of the attendee to your event list, ensuring everything is set for the big day. Before we wrap up, a few important notes. Adding attendees manually does not charge a card. If an attendee needs to pay, you'll have to collect the payment outside of Eventbrite. Also, these entries may appear as offline orders in your records, so keep that in mind for accounting purposes. With that ready, you now know how to add attendees on Eventbrite. This skill will help you manage your events more effectively, ensuring a seamless experience for both you and your attendees. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.